start our 4600 Spider Track stock class with our pole sitter Doug Langford in that.
It looks like the green flag is flying for Doug Langford and Sergio Pinellas.
Here we are on board with the 4699 of Doug Langford.
Hey guys, my name is Doug Langford. I'm the driver of the number 4699 Ultra 4 race car. We race in the 4600 class. That is called the stock class. And a lot of people ask, probably the number one question, I get a lot of questions about the race car, but one of the top questions that we get that I've heard a lot is, why do you race 4600? Why not 4500? Why not 48? Why not 44? All of those things. And those are all outstanding classes. Some really, really cool cars, some really, really fast cars. But for us, for Outlaw Offroad, 4600 just makes the most sense. And why is that? It's the stock class. You see this race car, people see this race car drive by, they see it at shows. We're here at Jeep Invasion 2023 right now. People see the Jeep, they just think, oh, it's a really cool, really cool built Jeep, until they get up close to it and they see things that are unique to a race car. But if you look deeper, you can really start to see what 4600 is about and maybe why we do it. There is a ton of parts on this race car, on 4699, that is the same part that you can buy from any off-road shop, preferably Outlaw Offroad, but you can buy it from any off-road shop that you use. Rock Crawler suspension, primary sponsor on this race car. It's their arms, it's their springs, it's their suspension under this vehicle. And for the vast majority of the parts on that from Rock Crawler, you can buy those from Rock Crawler, from Outlaw Offroad, from your local off-road shop. We go out there, Rock Crawler suspension has been great enough with us to say, look, we're confident enough in our parts. We know they're gonna hold up. We're gonna put them under the toughest conditions you can possibly imagine and test our product and develop our product. And that's what they've done. Other companies, Next Venture Motorsports on this vehicle, another sponsor of this vehicle. Armor, rear corners, rear bumper, front bumper, sliders, all of that stuff is the same exact part, no different than what you can buy anywhere you buy off-road parts. Same stuff. We're just going out there and absolutely putting it to its limit, stuff that 99.9% of Jeepers are never gonna do, but we do it pretty much once a month through the spring, summer, and KOH in the winter. We go out there and we test on this stuff. We absolutely beat on it. We maul it, just absolutely try to destroy it, and this stuff holds up. So, anything that can hold up on this race car can hold up on your weekend warrior, your grocery getter, your trail rig, whatever, it's gonna work. Tyree lights, another one. Fox shocks, Nitto tires. These are DOT tires. If you go to a tire store and you buy a 35-inch Nitto, you're buying this tire. It's the same tire. Raceline wheels, same wheel. So many things. You can buy these PRP seats. All of this stuff. The vast majority of the parts on this car are stock. Why does that matter? For us, as a chain of install shops, that matters to us. We want to be able to say, and we can with confidence say, hey, that race car over there, or that you've seen on Facebook or seen on Instagram or seen on the live stream watching the races, that's the stuff that we can put on your Jeep. That's the stuff that we can put on your vehicle, because a lot of these companies make stuff for other vehicles too. They make Bronco stuff, they make Toyota stuff. It's not just Jeep, that's just the platform that we've chosen to use. So when we can confidently say that we've tested this to its, in some cases beyond its limits, but definitely to its limits, it makes us feel more confident about selling it to a customer as Outlaw Offroad, and it should make the customers far more confident that, look, if it can hold up in that situation under those conditions, then it can absolutely hold up on my vehicle and what I'm gonna do to it. Because again, 99.99% of vehicles, they're not gonna go through this, and honestly, they probably shouldn't. We're absolutely abusing this car. I kind of feel bad for it sometimes, but that's why we do it. That's why we race in the stock class. For us as installers and install shops, we like to be able to sell what we run. It's why we say built for adventure. It's why we say proven on the trail. In this case, it might be proven on the race course, but I would say that's even one level above proven on the trail. So that's kind of been our mantra for more than 10 years now, and it's gonna continue to be our mantra into the future, and this just helps prove that out. For those of you interested, I know a lot of people out there don't know or haven't heard of Ultra 4 racing. Where have you been? What are you doing wrong? You got to get in on this. You got to start watching this. We've got a race coming up here. Like I said, we're at Jeep Invasion 2023. We're late August 2023. Labor Day weekend 2023, just coming up here very, very shortly. We're taking this car to Crandon, Wisconsin, the big house, and we're going racing for the short course world championships up there over Labor Day weekend. We got a couple of heat races, we got the main event, may even do the knockout race, who knows? But you guys tune in, check that out. You're gonna see what these cars can do. And not just this one, just in our class alone, there's Jeeps, there's Broncos, there's Toyotas, there's all kinds of stuff. I think there's even a Dodge Durango. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. If you can meet the qualifications and pass the safety part of the tech, then you can race this vehicle. And a lot of guys do it, a lot of girls do it. There's a ton of teams and a ton of people out there doing it and doing it well and doing it at a high level. So if you haven't gotten a chance to check it out, you definitely should. Again, next race, Crandon International. It is Labor Day weekend. You can catch it live at aoe.tv online. You can also watch it at the Ultra 4 Facebook page live and the Ultra 4 YouTube page. So check it out. Check out 4699 in action. Cheer us on. We love hearing from everybody, and hopefully you guys tune in and enjoy it.